Welcome to the CAD NEST. I am Kantharaj from Nagar branch. Today I am going to teach you how to make these thumbs up and thumbs down in MS Excel. But actually these thumbs up and thumbs down symbols are present in insert symbol. Here we have to select the windings. The windings, we have the thumbs up and thumbs down symbols. We can insert it from here, or else we can directly insert it from the formulas. For example, here we have some values. -1. If the minus values are there, then I needed the symbol as thumbs down. When the more than minus value symbols are there, then I needed the thumbs up symbol. So for this, I will insert a condition called as if open the bracket. If the logical test is nothing but a cell address is greater than 0, comma, the value of true is C, the value of true is D. C is nothing but a letter, it's a text. It is a text. D is nothing but a text value false. If it is greater than 0, it is C. If it is less than 0, it is D. Enter. So we can get the D. D is nothing but less than 0. C is nothing but greater than 0. So in the windings font for this C symbol, this symbol, thumbs up symbol is activated. And the D, the thumbs down symbol will be activated as per the font. So I will select this font. Select the cells and change the font as windings. So we can easily get the thumbs up and thumbs down symbol as per the value. If the value is minus, thumbs down. If the value is plus, thumbs up. So this is how we can insert thumbs up and thumbs down symbol in Excel. Thank you for watching.